Imagine a world where your packages arrive not by truck, but by air, delivered swiftly to your doorstep by a silent, autonomous machine. Is this a futuristic dream or today's reality? The last mile, it's the most costly, least efficient, and often the most congested part of the entire global supply chain. Consumer demand is accelerating. We now expect delivery in hours, not days. Yet our infrastructure is buckling under the pressure. Traditional delivery is a bottleneck. It's like trying to pour a high-volume river through a restrictive funnel. Consider the challenges: urban gridlock, escalating fuel costs, and a persistent, widening labor gap in logistics. For businesses, these inefficiencies erode profit margins. For customers, they result in frustrating delays and higher fees. In any major city, a delivery van might spend half its route simply idling, searching for parking, or stuck in traffic. This model is unsustainable. The existing system is approaching a critical failure point in modern commerce and urban life. The search for a genuine, scalable disruptor is over. The solution is no longer on the road. It's in the sky. The autonomous drone is not a novelty. It is a critical infrastructure upgrade for the 21st century economy. It bypasses congestion, ignores intersections, and delivers with a speed and precision unmatched by ground transport. We are seeing a fundamental shift from two-dimensional road-based logistics to a three-dimensional air network. Prepare to explore the core technology and the profound impact of this new aerial revolution. The future is live. Look at Wing, a pioneer making daily deliveries of retail and food items across communities in Australia. Their drones fly beyond visual line of sight, coordinated by a sophisticated, proprietary air traffic control system. Even more impactful is Zipline, revolutionizing global health by delivering life-saving blood and vaccines to remote areas. In Rwanda and Ghana, Zipline's aerial network ensures essential medical supplies arrive faster than any traditional vehicle could. What makes this possible? Fully autonomous navigation, leveraging high-precision GPS and real-time sensor data. Obstacle avoidance is crucial. Think of it as the drone's constant 360-degree digital perception of its environment. Advanced sensors like LiDAR and computer vision enable the drone to safely navigate power lines, trees, and buildings. Payload capacity is rapidly evolving, moving from small goods to essential components weighing several kilograms. Drone designs are mission-specific, multi-rotor for precise vertical takeoff and landing in tight urban locations, and fixed-wing drones for longer-distance, high-speed regional deliveries between distribution centers. These machines are engineered for reliability and redundancy. If one system component fails, a backup immediately engages. This is high-tech logistics in a compact electric package. They are the essential new workhorses of commerce. Let's focus on the business case. The economic argument for drone delivery is overwhelmingly positive. A major win is labor efficiency. One operator can effectively manage a fleet of up to a dozen autonomous drones. Operating costs are sharply reduced. electric drones are vastly more economical per kilometer than any traditional van. Maintenance is simpler, with fewer complex moving parts than a combustion engine, minimizing vehicle downtime and repair costs. This efficiency directly translates to a lower delivery cost per unit, enhancing profitability and competitive pricing. But the benefits go beyond the quarterly report. Drones are a powerful step toward environmental sustainability. Switching from diesel fleets to electric drones drastically cuts carbon emissions, ushering in green logistics. Imagine the large-scale reduction in citywide traffic congestion as a significant volume of packages moves to the air. The drone logistics market is projected to be a multi-trillion-dollar sector, representing massive growth potential. This growth creates new specialized roles in fleet management, drone maintenance, and data analysis. The economic upside is a powerful loop. Efficiency lowers costs, which boosts adoption, which further fuels innovation. This is a true win-win, better for corporate bottom lines and fundamentally better for the environment. No major disruption is seamless. The single biggest hurdle for autonomous delivery is the global challenge of airspace regulation. We need flexible, scalable global frameworks, like the US FAA Part 107, but designed for high-volume operations. A coordinated system known as UTM or Unmanned Traffic Management is essential to safely manage the sheer volume of drone traffic. Regulators must approve designated drone corridors, digital highways in the sky, to ensure reliable safety and transit. The second challenge is public acceptance. People are naturally concerned about privacy, noise, and safety risks. Companies are addressing this with strict data encryption and limiting cameras only to what is necessary for navigation and landing. Safety is non-negotiable. Redundant emergency parachutes, geofencing, and rigorous testing build public confidence. The issue of noise pollution is solved with redesigned, quieter propellers and specialized materials, making drones near silent at altitude. Acceptance will be driven by familiarity. The more consumers experience the benefits, the faster skepticism will dissipate. A package arriving swiftly and safely by air builds trust more effectively than any corporate communication strategy. Governments, regulators, and industry leaders are partnering to create a robust, transparent, and scalable aerial framework. The technology is ready now. The regulatory structure is rapidly adapting to unleash its vast potential. We've seen today's capabilities, but the next 5 years will usher in truly transformative operations. Imagine coordinated drone swarms, managed by sophisticated AI, autonomously running a regional distribution hub. This multi-drone coordination will optimize routes in microseconds, instantly adapting to sudden weather changes or demand spikes. AI will implement predictive logistics, positioning drones in high-demand neighborhoods before the customer places the order. The next major integration is the seamless link between air and ground, drones working with autonomous ground vehicles. The van acts as a mobile docking station and charging hub, while the drone handles the ultra-fast final delivery leg. Expect centralized drone ports or skydocks on city rooftops for delivery, maintenance, and rapid battery swaps. This fully integrated ecosystem means a parcel leaves the warehouse and reaches the consumer with zero human intervention. The last mile is being redefined as the last few hundred meters, completed in minutes, not hours or days. Autonomous drones are a crucial, non-negotiable pillar of smart cities and next-generation urban planning. The shift is urgent. Leaders must understand, invest, and adapt now, or risk being outpaced by this aerial acceleration. The sky is no longer the limit. It is the new superhighway. Welcome to the future of fast. Do not miss any video of this channel. Subscribe now. If you found this script valuable, please hit like and share this video with a colleague who needs to hear this message. Thank you for watching and see you next time.